Good morning, Crypto Whiskey here with your morning watch list. It's January 4th, 2023. Let's get to it. First up on the block, we have XOM, Exxon Mobil Corporation. What I'm seeing right now is probably going to be a half and half day. It's looking very, very volatile. The DXY is just all over the place, and we know when the dollar goes down, stocks go up, and vice versa. And it's kind of in a range right now that anything can happen, but I think we see a half and half day. We're either going to see a big green first half of the morning and then around lunch get a turn and head back down, or we head back down pretty substantially the first half of the day and then come back to probably neutral or a little green. So either way, be prepared both directions. But right here on ExxonMobil, we've had this laid out for a while because it's been another one of our targets. Um, if it breaks below 105 today, I want to be in puts down to 102.24, and ultimate long-term target would be 96. I think oil's got to get a little pullback more so than what it's had. Um, but definitely below 105, let's take puts, and you probably can play this just for the rest of the week. I don't think you need expiration date way out into next week because oil and energy is kind of crazy right now. Um, if we get some big popping and running, good chance that if we break, I'll find it right here. If we break above 106.92, I would expect the next stop to be 108 and very easily 109.73. So on that $2 or $3 move, I want to be in calls if we break above it. So I would be looking to buy a call out for the end of the week if we get above that 107 and probably be taking profits at 108, 109. Below 105, I want to try to get in those puts towards the end of the week expiration and play that down, start taking profits as close to 102 as possible. If you want to get into a longer term play, I would buy out at least a year and be looking for 90 and below. But that's it on XOM. Yesterday, this is one of yesterday's plays, and we're going to get right back into it now. Uh, Meta, Facebook, has been on a tear after being sold off so hard, and we had a break of our little ascending triangle slash bull flagish structure, and yesterday's stuff still applies. Now, in profit, if you took it yesterday, you're in profit big time on your options calls. And also, while we're talking about it, Tesla performed amazingly yesterday. We suggested our areas of breakouts for the upside and downside. When it broke that downside at open, if you would have took your puts, you'd been up about 238% by the end of the day. And I would probably try to be out of those right now. Tesla's been being beat down. It may need a little bounce. But right here on Meta platforms, pre-market is looking good, but we don't know if that holds. Once again, though, we're looking for pretty massive targets to 138.33. If we just keep ripping, now we're at the point that if we break above 126.36, which is a candle wick high from yesterday, yeah, if we break above that, there's a good chance that we start getting some major rippage all the way up to probably going to hit 128, 129, and eventually, since this is a longer term call, up to 138.37. That's our ultimate take profit. But let's take profit all along the way. You've got to layer in, layer out, but you definitely want to keep a contract or two laying around until you hit that 138 mark because we are right there on that precipice of breaking out, making that massive run. If the day turns south and starts getting really bad, then anything below 122, we're probably going to buy puts down, expecting it to get to the 117, then ultimately 112. So we're gonna play Meta again today. It's just got a lot of volume, volatility. I like it. It's moving. We got you on the XOM. If you want any more trade setups, please go join my Discord. Links in the description. We post these kind of trade setups and more all day long. We post in crypto, gold, stocks, options. We do it all. We even help with your long-term investment planning strategy for your 401k and your IRAs, and answer any questions you got. It's a great community of traders, a great community of new guys learning the ropes, lots of educational stuff. So please go check that out. It's a 7-day free trial. After that, it's $5 a month. You're probably going to make plenty of money in your free 7-day trial. But go check out it. Links in the bio description. So, guys, I really appreciate everyone that tune in every morning. Like, subscribe, tick the little bell so you get notifications when I go live. We'll see you tomorrow.